Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. This is video number 2 about HCF and LCM of numbers with different type of models in the short trick method. This video is most useful for all type of competitive exams like bank POs, clerks, RRB, NTPC, LIC AOs, state level, group 1, group 2 and sub-inspector of police. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. That will helpful for you. If you need of interesting such videos, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see model number 5. Find the greatest number that will exactly divide 200 and 320. So greatest number that will exactly divide. So that will exactly divide means, so here this is the model number 5. To find the greatest number that will exactly divides x comma y comma z means the required number we are getting HCF of x y z we can get. So here also we need to find HCF of 200 and 321 we need to find. So 200 we need to find the greatest number that will exactly divides. Exactly divides means we need to find HCF of that numbers. How many numbers are given that numbers one we need to find the HCF. So 200 multiples prime factors you can write it. So 2 into 100 how we can write it? 2 into 50. Again 50 how we can write it? 2 into 25. Again 25 how we have to write it? 5 into 5. Just once you have to check it once. 200 2 hundreds 2 50s and 2 25s 5 5s. So the product of prime factors we written 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now 320. So 321 how we can write it? 2 into 160s, 2 into 80s, 2 into 40s, 2 into 20s, 2 into 10s, 2 into 5s. So once you have to check it once, 320. 2 160s, 2 80s, 2 40s, 2 20, 2 10s, 2 5s. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5. Now in this we need to take the we need to find the HCF. HCF means only common factors we need to write. So it is the common means 2. HCF of 200 and 320 equal to into, it is also common, into 2. This is also, this 2 also common, and again common, only 5 it is there. That 5 you can write it. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2s 8, 8 5s 40. So the greatest number will be exactly divides 200 and 320 is 40. The required number equal to 40. Model number 6. Find the greatest number which I am dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainder 6 and 5 respectively. So here these numbers too we are getting reminders. So 6 and 5 we are getting. So this model one how we have to find out means, so this is the model number 6. To find the greatest number that will exactly divides XYZ leaving remainder ABC respectively. So we are getting the remainder means the HCF of first number minus what is the first remainder. So the HCF of the difference of first number minus first remainder means x minus a, y minus b and z minus c. Now you can take here first number is 1657 leaves the remainder is 6, that equal 1651 we are getting. Next one it is 2037 leaves the remainder is 5. So we can get 2032. So this two numbers one we need to find the HCF. So we need to find HCF of 1651 and 2032. Now we can check it here. 1651 and 2032. Now 1651 ones are 1651. We are finding the HCF. 1 here carrying means 8. This is 9 means here 3 we can get. So now this is the divisor. What is the divisor previous one? That one you have to take the dividend. So 381. 381 fours are check it once. 381 fours are 1524. That is 1524. Fours are 1524. Subtracting means here 7 and here this is 2, this is 1. This is the now this remainder we can take the divisor. This one we have to take the dividend. So 381 is the dividend. So 127 3s are check it. 321 6 8. So this is the 3s are 381. So here we got the what is the divisor, that one we need when we are getting the remainder 0. What is the divisor? That is the HCF of the two numbers. So the required number equal HCF of the two numbers one we got it 127. Model number 7. This is find the least number which when divided by 36, 48 and 64 leaves the remainder 25, 37 and 53 respectively. So here we need to find the least number. So this is the model number 7. So what is the model number 7? To find the least number which when divided by x, y, z leaves the remainders a, b, c respectively. So here a, b, c respectively means first number to you can subtract first remainder, second number to second remainder, third number to third remainder we are subtracting means we are getting some value. Constant value we can get, that value is k you can take. So the required number what they ask that number is LCM of that numbers xyz numbers minus what we got the constant remainder we got now that number we need to take. Now here numbers here first number is 36 and leaves the remainder is 25. First number and first remainder. So that value we are getting 11. Second number is 48 and second remainder is 37. That value we can get 11. And 64 minus third remainder is 53. That value also we are getting 11. So here this all values we are getting the equal. So equal means this value you have to take k. Now what we need to find? LCM of xyz. xyz means 36, 48, 64 is one. We need to find the LCM. So LCM I am finding LCM of 36, 48 and 64. That equal multiples of prime factors of 36. So 2 into 18, 2 18s are 2 9s are 9. How we can write it? 3 into 3 we can write. Once you can see here 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36. 48 one you have to take 2 24s are 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are. So 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48. 64 one you have to take 2 into 32s are 2 into 16s are 2 into 8s are 2 into 4s are 2 into 2s are 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. Now LCM, what we can get the LCM? So what are the common one we can take? This is the common 2, and this is also common, it is also 2, and here this 3 and this 3, it is common in 2 terms only, it is common, and here 2, and this is also 2, and now we can write without common one we need to write. So without common one 3 into 2 into 2 only. So first how we can take means, so in that what are the common, all in common we need to take. Next what are the common we need to take. Next in without common one we need to take. First all in common, next common, and next without common one we need to take. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 9, 32 9, sorry once, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64, 3 3s are 9, 64 9s are, so 36, 576. So we got the LCM is 576. So we need the required number we need. So required number equal, so LCM of 36, 48, 64, that we got it 576 minus the value, K value we got it 11, that equal 565. Model number 8, this is, find the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 18 will leaves in each case remainder 5. So it is the model number 8. So in each case we are getting the same remainder, means we need to take the LCM of the given numbers plus what is the same remainder, that one we need to take. LCM of the numbers, given numbers plus the same remainder we need to take. Now you can see here, so here given numbers 12, 16, 18. LCM we need to find. So 12, 16, 18. So 2 table 2 I am checking. 2 6s, 2 8s, 2 9s. Now again 2 table 2 only. 2 3s, 2 4s, and 9 as it is. Now I am taking 3 table. 3 1s, 4, 3 table to 4 it is not possible, same as it is, and 3 3s. Now here up to here also it is correct only, but here 4 is not the prime. When we are getting the last column in primes, then next you can stop it. So 2 I am taking, 2 2s and 3. Now you can multiply. So LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to 2, 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 9s are 16 9s are 144. So we got the LCM is 144, we got it, but they ask in each case we are getting the remainders 5. So the required number equal, so LCM of the given numbers one we got it 144 plus in each case remainder we are getting the 5. So we are adding, means we are getting the answer is 149. Now in each case we are getting remainder 5. Same remainder we are getting, means we need to follow this rule. We will discuss some more models in next video. When you will practice more and more, you can get the concepts easily. I hope you are enjoyed this session, and this session is very helpful for you. Don't forget, like and comment. We will meet in the next video. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.